Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a lot has happened in the complete day, so I'll tell everything one by one sequence wise. So yesterday after I have given the way2iim mock 2, it's already like 10:30, 11 in the night. From morning onwards I was continuously studying, and after the mock I felt so exhausted and I was not able to push myself because of two things. One is like I was studying from morning, and the second thing is after seeing my score in DLR yesterday, I felt very bad. Like I was not able to focus on anything. Then I have missed the class as well. Yesterday night we had this quants discussion on CAT2025. I missed it. मतलब ठीक है, I know most of the questions, I have solved them, but still I wanted to attend it, but I have missed it. I was not able to attend. So I texted my faculty, Gaurav sir, that like I have sent him all the list of my mock scores. Uh, I'll show you as well anytime in future when I get some spare time or something. But I have sent him all the marks, like total marks, sectional wise marks, and everything. Total 10 mocks I have given. I already shared it with you as well. So he saw the marks and he told me that your scores are mostly dependent on QA, which is obviously correct. And he told ki DLR you are scoring very less. Even the SimCat 16, if we consider, he saw my score and he was like 11 marks is very less, because people who have gave SimCat 16, they were able to solve at least two sets or something like that. And he is correct. Like he's not demotivating or something, but he is telling the fact. And what kind of suggestion he gave me is to maintain at least 15 marks in DLR as the first priority, मतलब एक set correct kind of situation करके. So I talked to him, and yesterday night I was not able to do anything else. I thought today morning I'll wake up and I'll see what I should have done or something like that. I didn't analyze mock yesterday, as I said. I completed my mock at 10:30. I shot the video and then I slept. That's it. So today morning I woke up, and before even analyzing yesterday's mock, ठीक है, what I have done is I have given one more mock. Now many of you might think what kind of nonsense are you doing and all, but honestly speaking, as per my schedule, my own schedule, and as per the EG schedule, we are supposed to give 7 mock tests completely from October 1st to October 15th. So when I planned them on every alternate day, I got the last mock, the 7th mock on October 15th, which is yesterday. Now the next plan is from October 16 to October 31. We are supposed to give 8 mocks as per their plan, and I want to stick to that, because if I am not giving a mock, I feel very lost or something, because yesterday also I gave the mock in night. So the complete day, even though when I was revising geometry and other stuff, I was feeling like I'm not being productive or something like that. So that's the reason what I did. I thought of sticking to the plan. So I have given a mock today, which is EG mock 4, a normal mock, not the way2iim mock. So today I have given, and as per the plan on Saturday, matlab day after tomorrow, I have to give one more easy mock, which is again a normal mock. I think that will be easy mock 12 if I'm not wrong. So I'll discuss my performance of easy mock 4, today's mock, and all the stuff tomorrow, because I didn't analyze it. Now the reason why I have pushed myself to give it is not just because to stick with the plan, but yesterday night when I talked with Gaurav sir, what I felt is I am not spending proper time on any single set in the exam. See, the whole video might be more about the DLR today, I'm not sure. I'll just share whatever I feel like. So what I thought is, in yesterday's mock also, way2iim mock, I didn't spend proper time on any set. I'll tell you what happened is, there are 4 sets in yesterday's exam. The first set was crypto arithmetic kind of set, which is like codes which are given to alphabets. Before that, as I said, I started with the DA set yesterday. In the question they have, if you have given the test, you will also know. In the question, there were 2 tables overall. One is like how many cars do they have at the beginning or at the start of Monday, and the second table is cars they sold on Monday, cars added on Tuesday, cars sold on Tuesday. These are the 2 different tables they have given. So below they have given 3 more points, which is like total sum of cars of a particular person are this much, that kind of information they have given. In the exam, what I did while I was reading the set, I know I wanted to do that DA set, I picked that set, but when I read those points, I implemented those values on the second table where at least they clearly mentioned these are the sum of car values on Monday, but it should be uploaded on the first table. I was solving it in the exam and the values were coming in fraction. I was so confused at that time. I was thinking like, what am I doing? Did I pick the wrong set, or am I doing some calculation mistake? I thought I'm doing calculation mistake, so I resolved it, but again on the same table. The mistake was on implementing it on the other table, the first table basically. So this I was not able to understand in the exam. I thought this set I can't do. I left it, and I went to the third set, which is this median mode range, 5 countries and 5 committee members were there, right? So that particular set I have picked up. I tried to solve it. There I have solved few questions. Not complete arrangement was done, because again, if I spend more than 10 minutes or something, I am getting not panic, some kind of anxiety, like I'm not able to think the next step over there. So I left that also in middle. I attempted only few questions from that. Then I went to the first set, which is a crypto arithmetic wala set. There I have attempted 4 questions or 5 questions. I didn't write it over here, but 4 questions or 5 questions I have attempted, out of which 2 or 3 got correct from there. So overall what I'm trying to say is, I am not spending at least good amount of time on each and every set. For my knowledge and for my speed, I should have spent minimum 20 minutes on each and every set, is what I felt like. So in today's mock, when I have given in the morning, I didn't even analyze all these things. Only one thing was in my mind, that maybe I'm not spending proper time on each and every set. And when I straight away gave today's mock, that's what happened. Like, I was able to solve one complete set fully, and the second set I have started, most of the arrangement was done, but the time did not permit. But what I'm trying to say is, I stick to one particular set which I felt I will be able to do. It is not like I picked up some random set or something. So this is the biggest learning for me from yesterday and today. So that's what I was even wondering, because if you guys are following me from so long, from beginning of my videos, you know that I have done the miscellaneous puzzles, I have done the PYQs, at least most of the PYQs. And I used to tell you that in 20 minutes of that exam time, I am able to solve all the 4 questions or 5 questions most of the time, but sometimes I will not be able to solve because if there is any conceptual gap or something. That's what even I was wondering. So the whole point over here is, it's not that I don't know all the 4 sets or all the 5 sets which are coming in the exam, but the thing is, I am not able to keep my mind at peace and solve the sets. I'm just thinking about I'm wasting a lot of time in this particular set, so I'll go to the other one, and when I start that particular set, I'll think is maybe nahi ho raha, I'll go to some other one. I'm just jumping from one set to one set, one set to one set. This is the biggest learning. Like, I am so, I don't say frustrated, yeah, I do say frustrated, because when I got to know that this is the mistake I have done in this particular DA set of sedan SUV, this car wala set, I felt so bad. So from morning, what I have been doing, like, I have given the mock 4 in the morning. I didn't analyze it because I wanted to analyze yesterday's mock first. So after the mock, I watched the recording of yesterday's class, CAT16 quants class, that is done. Only 4-5 questions which I didn't know. Yeah, again, even in that as well, very big blunder I have done. I have left 2-3 questions in CAT16 quants part, where I left it only on the basis of they looked like TSD questions, that ping pong ball wala question, and even 1-2 more questions, I don't remember them exactly, but they are not of TSD. They form a GP series if we expand it. In the exam, I just looked at the question and I was like, this is TSD and this looks lengthy, it might take time, so I'll leave it. Again, that is a very big mistake. So in the exam, everything is like, either I'm leaving, looking at the question and judging it very bluntly, or if it is about the DLR, then I'm not spending proper time. Very naive mistakes I'm making, and because of this, my score has been stuck on 60s from so long. I think from last 1, 2, 3, 4, from last 4, 5 mocks, my score is only between 60, 65, 60, 65. That's it. These are the mistakes, nothing more than this. If at all I can, cross this, I can at least go score somewhat better, is what I feel like. So sorry for going back to some other things. But yeah, SimCat 16 I have watched the recording. Then I started with the analysis of yesterday's mock. First I have analyzed quants part because वो जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा मेरा. फिर मैं DLR करने लगा. This is what I have analyzed, whatever I have shared with you. VARC, few are left actually. One RC is left and few VA questions are left that I will be doing. I thought video भी upload करना बहुत लेट हो गया अभी, इसलिए I'll discuss about EG Mock 4 which I have given today in tomorrow's video. Like I'll show my score and we will talk about my analysis as well. But ठीक है, at least I got to know कि what is the mistake I'm committing in each and every mock. And this is the reason we need to keep giving mocks, this is the importance of giving mocks, is what I felt at least, because even in DALR sectional tests I was constantly scoring 15-20 marks every time. Like एक सेट तो हमेशा सही हो जाता था मेरा. Now what is happening is like I'll start with VARC, no issue in the VARC, I can do it properly, no problem over there, until unless there are some weird kind of questions which you guys know I have already shared on the EG, so I'll be doing good in the VARC. But when I start with the DALR, I start getting anxious. This is the main problem I am facing every time. Again, as soon as DALR section completes and as soon as I enter quants, I'll be so chill again. ठीक है, quants ही कर लूँगा मैं, at least मतलब 8-9 क्वेश्चन तो कर ही लूँगा. Kind of situation is I be in every time. So if I have to overcome this, it's not like I have to give sectional. The main point over here is I have to give mock only. Like in the mock atmosphere, I have to get habituated to set selection, how much time should I spend on each and every set, all those kind of things. So I don't have any kind of issue with giving mock today. People might think like yesterday he gave mock, today he gave mock, again on Saturday he will give mock, again on Monday he will give mock. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Like until unless I am getting to learn something, until unless I am getting to understand my mistakes, it is totally fine, is what I think so. So see you guys tomorrow again. Already so long video, so sorry for that. See you guys tomorrow again. Bye bye. Take care.